Hi, this is Camilla Blossom. I've created a personal energy alignment, a guide for empaths, sensitives, and earthworkers because I am one and I've been doing this work for decades of working with the land, with the waters, with people in a shamanic energy medicine and healing way. And so I want to bring forward some of the teachings and tools that I learned along the way that were super helpful for me. So I've created this guide in order to help others, whether you're an experienced energy worker in a practice. Sometimes we've missed those lessons along the way of how to best ground, how to clear our energy, how to set sacred space, how to approach things in a more heart-centered manner, and also how to align with the cosmics, the cosmos, heaven and earth, how to connect with the four directions and the elementals. And so there's a lot of just basic energetic hygiene that's super important for us in order to feel good about ourselves, to feel clear, to feel like we're in integrity, in our sovereignty without interference from other energies. And I know there's a lot of teachings out there, but I wanted to make it a super simple and fun process where I provide you with a booklet, a guide that's 20 pages, and also a video and audio of how to do the simple practice. Just takes a few minutes. You can use it as a daily routine. You can use it before you do ritual and ceremony, before you do land alchemy or work with the trees. Like these are really important um, ways to just align your energy so you're ready and in a beautiful invitation to move forward into doing whether that's, yeah, your ritual or your life. And it can help you just be free of these other people, even energies. So it'll also include, for those who wish to learn how to use a pendulum. Pendulum can be used not only for yes or no answers, but also for energy clearing. And so I love to share that. It's great for land, for the home, and then, of course, for us. And so there's a video involved in this that um, is teaching on how to use a pendulum for energy clearing. And so I'm really excited to offer this. I'm offering this at a really great price because I want this to get out there and to be shared by those who really need this. And I have been mentoring and teaching and offering a lot of this earth-based magical tradition teachings with the fairy realms, the elementals, the land, the waters, our own spiritual opening to communication with nature. And so these are really foundational, important practices for us to be able to be comfortable and feel good in our bodies. So if this sounds good, check out below. And I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.